Hello, Kevin the plumber here, back with another helpful video. In this case, if you're having trouble igniting your water heater, this could be a problem that will solve it. So this is the spark igniter. A lot of times this is dirty from the metal, so it's not gonna spark because it needs to be touching some sort of metal. You can see right here, so when you're pressing you don't see the spark. You can also remove this and just barely touch it, and you're gonna be able to see if there's some sort of light striking. So in this case, this one, we removed it. You just remove it from the back, and we noticed that this is damaged. It's broken in half. You see it right now. So you can see right there, it's broken once you release it. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna replace it with another one. It's very easy to put on. Just put it, secure it back how the other one was, just like that, and then you just put this back and make sure you put the sleeve back to secure this spark. Now you're gonna be able to turn on your water heater if that was the case. Thank you for watching.